Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Still using an old TV without apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video? Thinking face. What if I told you, you can turn that boring TV into a fully loaded smart TV for under just $40? Flushed Section 1. What you need to convert your old TV into a smart TV, you only need one simple device. Right finger a streaming stick or box. Here are some of the best budget options in 2026. Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite, Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, Google Chromecast with Google TV, HD. All of these cost around $20 to $40 and work with almost any TV that has an HDMI port. Section 2. Setup process. Let's set it up in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port. Step 2. Connect the power cable. Step 3. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input. That's it, party popper. Now follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Section 3. Install apps. Once connected, you can install apps like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hotstar. Just go to the App Store on your device and download what you need. Section 4. Extra features. Here's where it gets even better. Down finger checkmark voice control with remote. Checkmark screen mirroring from your phone. Checkmark watch live TV apps. Checkmark play games. Checkmark stream in HD or even 4K, depending on device. Basically, your old TV becomes as powerful as a modern smart TV. Conclusion. So instead of spending hundreds on a new TV, just spend $30 to $40 and upgrade your current one like a pro light bulb. If this video helped you, hit the like button, thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech hacks, and comment below which device you're going to use.